I need lot 3 here. Good price would be 6.5. Bad price would be 13.
Charlie had also provided a handy price guide for each bit of kit.
South Merland CLM cultivator at £1,000 the CLM. At £1,000 I'm bid. At £1,000.
I started bidding.
1,200. 14. 16. 1,800 I'm bid. 2,000 I'm bid. 2,2. 2,4. At 2,6. 3,2. At 3,3. At 3,8. 3,850. Your bid, sir. 611. Thank you.
Thank you. That was good. See, we were told 6,500 was a good price. We've just got that for 3,950.
On we go, lot 33. The Bomford 77 hedge cutter. 2,000 I'm bid.
I did go a bit over on some of my other purchases.
Your bid, sir.
Okay, so I was told not to go above 3,600 and I've gone to 5,100.
Having spent £82,000 on equipment, I had everything I needed.